Once upon a time, in a kingdom nestled between emerald forests and crystal-clear rivers, there was a magical land called Elaria. Elaria was a place where the skies were always blue, and the flowers bloomed in every colour imaginable. The heart of this beautiful kingdom was the Rainbow Garden, a place where every flower held a special magic that kept the kingdom joyful and prosperous. At the centre of this enchanted land was the Grand Castle of Light, where Princess Isla lived. Princess Isla was known far and wide for her kindness, bravery, and her special gift. She could talk to flowers and understand their magic. She had long, wavy golden hair that shimmered like sunlight, and her eyes sparkled with the colours of the rainbow, reflecting the beauty of the garden she loved so much. She always wore a dress that changed colours with her mood, soft pinks and blues when she was happy, vibrant reds and oranges when she was excited, and calming purples and greens when she was thoughtful. One bright morning, as Isla strolled through the rainbow garden, she noticed something unusual. The colours of the flowers were starting to fade, and the sweet melodies of the birds were growing quieter. The vibrant reds were turning into dull maroons, the blues into greys, and the sparkling golds into pale yellows. Even the usually cheerful sunflowers looked droopy and sad. Concerned, Princess Isla knelt by her favourite flower, a golden rose, and whispered, "What's happening, dear friend?" The golden rose, though fading, replied in a soft voice, "Princess Isla, the magic of the garden is being drained. The source of our power, the rainbow crystal, has been stolen by the Enchantress of Shadows. Without the crystal, our colours and magic will disappear, and Elaria will lose its light." Determined to save her kingdom, Princess Isla knew she had to embark on a journey to retrieve the rainbow crystal. She saddled her faithful unicorn, Starfire, who had a shimmering silver mane and sparkling sapphire eyes, and set off toward the Forbidden Forest, where the Enchantress of Shadows was said to dwell. The Forbidden Forest was dark and eerie, filled with twisting trees and shadowy creatures. But Princess Isla wasn't afraid. With every step, her dress glowed brighter, lighting the way through the darkness. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they encountered magical creatures. A wise old owl with feathers like silver moonlight, a mischievous fairy with wings that sparkled like diamonds, and a gentle giant who guarded the entrance to the Enchantress's lair. Each creature tested Isla's courage and kindness. The owl asked her to solve a riddle, the fairy demanded she navigate a maze of illusions, and the giant challenged her to a contest of strength. But Isla, with her clever mind, kind heart, and unwavering determination, passed every test. She was rewarded with gifts: a feather that could summon a breeze, a vial of enchanted light, and a shield made of pure love. Finally, Isla reached the Enchantress's lair, a gloomy castle made of black stone and twisted thorns. The Enchantress of Shadows, a tall woman with raven-black hair and a flowing gown of shadows, greeted her with a sly smile. "You've come for the rainbow crystal," the Enchantress said, her voice echoing like a cold wind. "But why should I return it? Darkness has its beauty too." Princess Isla stepped forward, her colourful dress glowing against the darkness. "Without the rainbow crystal, the balance of our world will be lost. Light and dark must coexist, but not at the cost of the other. I am not here to fight you, but to find harmony." The Enchantress was taken aback by Isla's words. No one had ever spoken to her with such understanding. "You speak with wisdom, young princess," she said, her voice softening. "Perhaps there is another way." Princess Isla offered the Enchantress the gifts she had received on her journey: the feather, the vial of light, and the shield of love. These gifts represent the power of friendship, hope, and love. Let us use them to restore balance, so that both light and shadow can thrive together. The enchantress hesitated, but then she saw the truth in Isla's eyes. With a wave of her hand, she returned the rainbow crystal to the princess. The moment Isla touched it, the colours of the rainbow garden began to return, even spreading into the enchantress's dark castle, turning it into a place of twilight beauty, where both light and shadow danced in harmony. As a gesture of goodwill, the enchantress gifted Isla a seed from the most magical tree in her forest. "Plant this in your garden," she said. "It will grow into a tree that blooms with both light and shadow, a symbol of our new friendship." Princess Isla returned to Elaria, where the rainbow garden was more beautiful than ever, and the people celebrated her bravery and kindness. She planted the seed in the heart of the garden, and it grew into a magnificent tree with blossoms that glowed softly in the night and shone brightly in the day. From that day on, Princess Isla ruled Elaria with wisdom and compassion, ensuring that light and shadow remained in perfect harmony. And the rainbow garden, now filled with colours brighter and more vibrant than ever before, became a symbol of the power of understanding, kindness, and friendship. And so, the tale of Princess Isla and the rainbow garden became a legend, teaching children the world over that true strength lies not in fighting, but in finding balance and harmony, even in the darkest of times.
If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit like button. Thanks.